Welcome to the Pearly Whites Australia Teeth Whitening Kit. Today we're going to run step by step through how you whiten your teeth using our kit. The first thing you need to do is boil some water. This is to mould your mouthguard. Pour your boiling water into a bowl. Grabbing one mouthguard at a time by its tab, insert them one at a time into the hot water, submerging the mouthguard just under the tab. Hold it here for just 3 to 5 seconds while the mouthguard softens. Carefully put one mouthguard in your mouth at a time and suck out all the air. Using your fingertips, mould the mouthguards to your teeth. Once you're happy with the indentations of your teeth, remove the mouthguard from your mouth and twist or cut off the tab. Repeat this step with your second mouthguard on your bottom row of teeth. Grab one of your gel applicators and apply a matchstick head-sized dot of gel to each tooth indentation in the mouthguard, making sure each tooth gets an even amount of whitening gel. Only use matchstick head-sized dots to make sure the gel won't make contact with your gums. This will prevent any sensitivity during your whitening treatment. Insert your mouthguards, top and bottom. Take out the LED light and remove the small bit of plastic between the two lithium batteries. Simply twist off the cap on the back of your light and remove the batteries. There is a disc of plastic between the batteries. Be sure you remove this and put the batteries back in the LED with the plus side up. Place the LED light under your lips on top of the mouthguards. The LED light will activate the gel and speed up the whitening process. Sit back and relax for 45 minutes and get excited for your Pearly Whites smile. Thank you for choosing Pearly Whites.